Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you another example on how to find the domain of a function that's written in function notation. Let's begin. So we want to find the domain of r of x is equal to the quantity 2x divided by the quantity x squared minus 4. And to do that, we need to answer two questions. And I'm going to start by answering the question on the top. Will inputting a real number into the function result in the square root of a negative number? Well, the answer to that is a resounding no. And that's because there are no square root or x to the 1/2 terms in the function. Okay, on to the second question. Will inputting a real number into the function result in an undefined expression? Well, the answer to that one is maybe. And that's because r of x is undefined if x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So if we can find the value of x, or the values of x, where the denominator will equal 0, then r of x is going to be undefined. So let's see what we can do here. So we have x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies that x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies that either x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 2. All right, so what does this mean? This means when x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 2, r of x is undefined. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 2 are not in the domain of r of x. All other real numbers are in the domain. Okay, so how do we write the domain of this function? So I'm going to write it three ways. I'm going to first write it in set builder notation. And that is written like this. The domain is equal to x such that x is real and x doesn't equal negative 2 or x doesn't equal 2. Okay. The next way I'm going to write this is in inequality notation. And that's the following. The domain is x is less than negative 2, x is between negative 2 and 2, and x is greater than 2. But notice I didn't write any less than or equal to's or greater than or equal to's in this inequality notation because x cannot equal negative 2 or x cannot equal 2. All right. And the last one is going to be interval notation. And that looks like this. The domain is negative infinity to negative 2, union with negative 2 to 2, union with the interval 2 to infinity. And we are done.